This time we're supposed to convert square kilometers to acres. If you are going to look at the board, we do not have the conversion factor, which is going to convert directly square kilometers to acres. That's why we are going to use these two conversion factors. I have 0.884 square kilometers. I have to eliminate square kilometers, so I have to make sure that I'm going to have the square kilometer in the denominator. 1 square kilometer is equal 1 times 10 to the 6 square meters. Take a look. Square kilometer and square kilometer is going to cancel out. I can use this conversion factor in order to eliminate square meters and find out acres. So I'm going to write that 4047 square meters is equal 1 acre. Square meter and square meter will cancel out. Next, we're supposed to perform the multiplication and division. Keep in mind, this could be the improper fraction, and you are going to have 0.884 times 1 times 10 to the 6th times 1 acre over 4047. This is equal 218.43 acres. So this is the solution to my problem.